The four-in-hand knot is one of the simpler knots to tie. Start by grabbing the wide end of the tie in your right hand, the narrow end in your left hand. Adjust the length of the tie so that the narrow end is just above the top of your pants. Now cross the wide end of the tie in front of the narrow end and back behind, ending on the right side. Now again cross in front of the tie to the left side, and this time bring the wide end of the tie up through the loop created around your neck. Once you get that pulled through, take the wide end of the tie and insert it into the loop at the front of the tie caused by passing the wide end of the tie around the narrow end. Take your time in feeding the tie through the loop. Make sure everything's straight. If the tie is snug at this point, that will help the tie retain its shape. Now slowly cinch the tie up to your collar, making it tight, and then straighten the tie with your hands and fold down the collar.